Today we're talking about the Hindu Shuffle, the Hindu Top Card Control Shuffle. I played it in a video, I believe it's the second video on the channel, with the double lift routine. It's in that video. I'll link it up at the top. But I'm going to go through just the Hindu Shuffle Top Card Control all by itself in this video. So here we go. Top card, King of Hearts here. We want to keep that card on top, or we want to bring it to the top. Let me show you how it's done with the Hindu Shuffle. King of Hearts on top, we give the deck a Hindu Shuffle like this, mixing the cards up, just like that. And we keep the King of Hearts on top of the deck, just like that. Now, if we want to bring it to the top, let's say for instance this is a selected card from a spectator. They grab it, they look at it, they memorize it, and you want them to put it back into the pack somewhere. You say, okay, tell me to stop. They say stop. They put the King of Hearts back into the pack right here. And then you do the Hindu Shuffle and shuffle off the rest of the cards, losing their card into the pack. Just like that. But what you really did was Hindu Shuffle it straight to the top of the deck, like that. Now this Hindu Shuffle card control is pretty easy to do. Let me explain how this works. We've got the King of Hearts on top like that. I'll put it face up. And when we Hindu Shuffle, we drop this packet in the hand and we shuffle off just like this, right? Looks like we're losing the king in the pack, but what we're really doing is bringing the king straight to the top of the deck like that. And this is how it works. When you begin the Hindu Shuffle, you drop the king and then you use your thumb and finger, middle finger, the left hand here, in this case, and you grab that king right here, like this, and you shuffle off the cards, holding on to that break where the king is, just like that. And then you shuffle off till you get to that break, and when you get to that break, you simply take the last card, and boom, king is on top of the deck. That's how the Hindu Shuffle works. If you have them say stop and they put their card back in, you simply, from this position here, do exactly the same thing, grabbing the top packet of cards from this pile with your middle finger and thumb of your left hand, and shuffle off with the Hindu Shuffle, and lo and behold, you bring the king straight to the top of the pack. And that is the Hindu Top Card Control. Looks pretty natural, shuffling the cards, but what you're really doing is just keeping the king on top, or the top packet of cards, depending on what you need to shuffle for. Because if you wanted to, you could grab a hold of, 20 cards with this method of shuffling, and just grab all of them and keep all 20 cards in order, and then throw them back on top of the deck, just like that. And that's the Hindu Shuffle Top Card Control. If you like the video, subscribe, drop a like. Come back, watch the next video.